Parksite is a leading distributor of building materials throughout the East and Midwest. The employee-owned company operates 9 distribution centers for providing high-end materials and supplies to lumber yards, contractors, and large retailers, including Home Depot and Lowe's. And its products are quite diverse.
We distribute everything from tiny little drill bits up to 20-foot lengths of lumber and decking material.
Selecting such a variety of products can be difficult, especially handling large, heavy materials that require 2 hands to lift. Parksite had used RF for processing these items, but found there were drawbacks with the RF, not the least of which was trying to juggle an RF device while at the same time needing both hands for the products.
Having to constantly look at the device, manually enter information. We were seeing errors from people looking at the device, doing the scan validation of the product and location, turning their back to the product to put the device down, and then going back and grabbing the wrong item. There was also limitation in the functionality. We didn't have anything that supported loading of our trucks, which is also where we were experiencing some errors.
That's why Parksite turned to speech interface design to provide them with a Honeywell Vocollect voice solution that not only manages picking, but now directs packing, loading, receiving, put away, cycle counting, and material moves. Parksite also will soon use voice for replenishment.
Picking is certainly where you get the most bang for your buck, but we were interested in staying with a single mode, not having to go back and forth between voice and RF. But the benefits that come from voice and picking apply equally to the other tasks as well. So eyes up, hands free, concurrent processing of different tasks within a task. I engaged with speech interface design beginning at ProMat in Chicago in 2013. Was very, very impressed with the company and the product. A lot of innovation, a lot of not only willingness but almost excitement to work with us to see what the system can do to support our business, and also a lot of business process improvement.
This distribution center is located in Hartford, Connecticut. To begin work, Voice directs the forklift driver through a safety check of the vehicle's systems.
Yes.
Are all tires free of any defects?
Yes.
Is the engine oil at correct level?
Yes.
Is the air filter unit in good condition?
Yes.
Are the fork locking pins in place?
Yes.
Air to lift chains free of defects?
Yes.
Is the horn operating properly?
Yes.
Voice is also used to receive products. Scanning is combined with voice to quickly receive the products accurately.
Item number? Each quantity?
84.
84, correct?
Yes.
Order complete. To continue, say ready.
Ready.
The goods are taken to storage, some of which will go into racking.
Item number?
155813.
155813, correct?
Yes.
Check digits on the rack ensure the items are deposited in locations accurately. Today, the facility is using the green circle check digit.
Location Romeo Foxtrot 03 Delta 1.
Check digit.
Circle. Location Romeo Foxtrot 03 Delta 1.
71.
How many each?
19.
Cycle counting is also managed using voice. Smaller items, such as adhesives, are stored in shelves within this climate-controlled room.
Bravo 06 Alpha 30.
88.
How many each?
Item number?
Juliet Alpha 250 Tango Romeo Whiskey. How many each?
62.
62, correct?
Yes. Print item label?
Voice also directs picking, including building materials stored in the yard.
Location?
Slot 1305. Pick 24 each.
Other products are housed inside the building. Many of these materials are sold by the linear foot. The voice system helps the worker track how many board feet have been picked and how much is yet to be selected to complete the order.
Review current tally.
Current pick tally is 270 linear feet out of 2,500 expected. Say ready.
Ready. 15.
15, correct?
Yes.
Quantity?
10.
10, correct?
Yes.
540 picked. 1,960 remaining.
The voice solution also provides complete supervisor visibility and control of voice operations using dashboards. As the sun begins to set on the workday, voice directs loading delivery trucks in the yard. The voice solution works in conjunction with the warehouse management system to direct a loading plan for each truck.
Next container. Tater 4176 Falcon Route 225. To continue, say ready.
Ready.
Position T.
Delta 1.
Delta 1. Correct?
Yes.
The Honeywell Vocollect voice solution that speech interface design provided to Parksite has proven to be very productive. Employees adapted to the technology very quickly.
We did find that we had a 100% acceptance rate from our associates. Having been in RF for several years, they understood the application of technology to improve our processes very well. But voice enabled us to maintain from day one our levels of productivity and accuracy and go up from there. And in RF, we typically would look at least a 2-week period of training before we would allow an associate to operate on their own. With voice, that's usually about a day and a half to 2 days.
19. Correct?
Yes.
Since moving to voice, productivity has jumped more than 22% at Parkside, while accuracy is greater than 99.98%. A full return on investment was achieved in just a little over 7 months. And more importantly, customers have noticed the improved service levels. Safety, easier handling, improved accuracy, higher productivity, eyes up and hands-free. Voice has enabled Parkside to build the right distribution for its customers.